Today I want to make a quick video, well not a quick video, but a setup video on how to set up and link the new kiosk to the platform. Um, so assuming that you already have the file downloaded, um, it's going to look like this, an application, and as you can see there's an installation instructions as well, which you could go over as well because there's some key information in there that you might forget. So that's also available for you. But basically what you want to do is double click the application. It will come up with an installation wizard. It's like 2 steps. It will ask your language, next, and then it will ask if you want to create a shortcut. I do because I want to keep it easy access, in my desktop, quick access to it. So I always make sure I have it out here. Once that's installed and you double click on this app, it will bring something up like this, and here it asks you to copy this link to your browser. So you want to open just a new window and copy that link. But for us, we're going to change this from 9,000 to 9443. So you can just minimize this, and this is what it looks like up here, right? That IP address, that's the IP address from my computer. Also, you want to make sure that you have the terminal, the kiosk, on the same Wi-Fi, on the same network as the host computer, the server. So you're going to type the 10.1.1034:9443/MIPS, and it should bring you to this website. So let's maximize this. The initial login information is system, and the password, initial password, which you can change later on, obviously. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's show that here. Perfect. Now, as you can see, I have all these tabs open because I was playing around with it before, but let's start fresh, which is good, so we can show what it actually looks like. So let's go to device. Now what I'm going to do is, on the actual kiosk itself, I'm going to go ahead, there's a setting that says login management. I'm going to log in, and the IP you want to put is your computer's IP address. So that 10.1.1034 for me, that's what I'm going to put in the kiosk. I'm going to show that in a video, so like one of the settings, what to do with this step, so bear with me. So from the kiosk itself, you're going to go and hit the settings button on the top right corner, enter your password, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press OK. Go to login management. Go to where it says login LAN. Type your IP address, 10.1.1034 for me. I'm going to click sign in. It says login successful. So the device should be coming up here shortly. There we go. That's the device I'm currently running. That's the IP from the device. There's one quick thing we have to do here. We're gonna click on the serial number of the device. That will open it up. Here I can change, like, the company name. Let's save it. Updated success. That's the device key. But we want to go into callback configuration. This is very important. So in order to transfer all the data back into the terminal, you want to make sure you have this already punched in. So we're gonna go 10.1.10.34 port 9443. That's my callback. So now it's gonna communicate with my kiosk. So now I could go ahead and transfer all of the data to and from the device and I could go ahead and restart it from here, and do all the operations, collect the passes. So